Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James. Today, how are you? In this video, we would like to share another work that we finished in another Hyundai Sonata, and this one 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and it actually came with a very famous thing from the head unit system in this car model. Alright, so the car comes with the factory startup navigation screen before over here, and that one was completely faulty. So that's the main reason that it comes up with this system from MPX AUTOS. And we already finished the job. We fit in the 7-inch and the advanced model, and we connect the factory steering wheel control, and we connect the factory speaker sound system, and we connect the factory reverse camera, and we connect everything via the digital setup. So by meaning of the digital setup means that you now can see the factory clock is here. Actually is the same as our new head unit, digital clock here. So that means our system actually seen through the car and connect to the factory setup over here together. That's via the digital setup. And also, when we say about the digital setup, we actually have all the steering wheel control on this car, and the light and the reverse camera and parking sensor. They all come in the digital channel. What that means is, look at this, you actually have everything in digital, and you can see that it shows the reverse camera and it shows the parking sensor right here and in front as well. So that is how the digital connection can actually show up. With the analog system, it won't do like this, and this one we fit in with the digital, so you can see that it works like that way. So even if the steering wheel control connect and works, but it actually is working by the digital channel. And I hope that it will be well explained how the digital system work in our system with the Hyundai Sonata. So when you turn on the headlight, it will automatically dim the screen to the night driving mode and turn on the side button over here, which you can touch it and control, but all of them via the digital setup. Okay. Yep. And the sound system is nicer because of the sound digital's amplifier inside our head unit boosts up the sound. And on the screen here you can see that it is advanced level of the wireless Apple CarPlay is running, and we also will have another wireless Android Auto shortly after this one to show. So yep, you can see how responsive the screen is and how responsive the system is via our finger touch screen. Yep, so far definitely it's the one that we want to finish. And yep, everything looks beautiful now, and it's good, it's ready. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.